Just a quick glimpse of what other countries are doing. This is a report from UK. UK will mandate the use of BIM on all government projects, all public sector projects, and they have mandated a 20% improvement from these projects in terms of its carbon footprint, in terms of its cost savings, and eventually they are also targeting the operating cost of these assets. So UK, which started off a bit late, has really caught on and is doing some exciting work in this area. So 2016, everyone is gearing up for that, and BIM will be a huge thing in terms of and built environment assets in the UK starting 2016. So a lot of preparation is now happening. This is their website called the BIM Task Force in UK, which is targeting a 20% improvement by using BIM and other related technologies like partnering and other technologies. Singapore, one of the persons in this room, Sunil, who has spent from Autodesk 19 years in Singapore, was instrumental in the activity that happened there. They have actually announced a 250 million Singaporean dollar fund for the construction sector. I love Singapore in terms of government giving money. I wish it could happen in India. For BIM adoption, 250 Singaporean dollars for what is called the Productivity Improvement Fund. So they are also targeting extensive BIM usage. In fact, it has become mandatory now to use BIM in Singapore. Your permits, your other kinds of clearances in Singapore today are with the help of BIM. So an owner or a client has to submit BIM based designs. In US, they're probably at the forefront of this. 70% of the projects are done in BIM. This is, I think, from January 2014, a report done by McGraw-Hill, which does every 2 years, or every year, is it, Sunil? Every 2 years. So they have data starting 2000. What our experts are saying, some quotes that we have received from the respondents. Mr. Vishal Gupta, who's CMD of Ashiana Housing, says BIM is becoming more relevant for the Indian markets. Increased competition, pressure on margins, and stiffer regulatory environment require accurate, coordinated drawings to avoid surprises. So he's used BIM on one of his projects, and this is a response. One of our panel members in the room, Mr. Sanjeev Jain, VP of IREO, has talked about BIM and its adoption in IREO. Several BIM projects are currently ongoing in IREO, which is actually being utilized in a very interesting fashion. In-house, there is a lot of work that is being done. So IREO is trying to improve their design process by utilizing BIM.